functions are not just events. They are the reflections of the teamwork, spirit and creativity of young minds. Good morning, Nosegay! A heartwarming welcome to all present out here. It is a matter of great joy and pride for all of us to welcome you to the annual function of class 6N, a day filled with excitement, performances and celebrations.
It's not just a celebration of talent, but also a reminder of our journey together, learning, growing, and sharing countless memories. I, Ananya, from class 6th, along with my classmates, feel honored to stand before you to express our heartfelt gratitude to Honorable MD Sir and respected Principal Ma'am for providing us a balanced education that helps in improving us mentally, physically, and socially.
We thank our teachers who guide us like stars in the sky, our parents who support us in every step, and our friends who make school life fun and unforgettable. So, get ready to enjoy some wonderful performances, group discussion, dance, drama, poetry, music, and more, all prepared with love and enthusiasm. Once again, we warmly welcome you all and hope you have a joyful time with us.
Now please get up, join your hands, close your eyes, and get ready for the prayer.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments. By narrow domestic walls. By narrow domestic walls. Where words come out from the depth of truth. Where words come out from the depth of truth. Where the mind is led forward by thee. Where the mind is led forward by thee. Into ever-widening thought and action. Into ever-widening thought and action. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father. Let my country awake. Let my country awake.
Your mind is a garden, your thoughts are the seeds. You can grow flowers or you can grow weeds. So, Anmol Rangula of our class is going to present thought of the day. Thought of the day. Just as the planets revolve in harmony, let us live in peace and balance with nature. I repeat my thought. Just as the planets revolve in harmony, let us live in peace and balance with nature. Thank you.
A good discussion is like a symphony. Every voice matters. Now some students of our class are going to present group discussion on the topic Earth and Solar System.
The Sun, 8 planets, satellites, and some celestial bodies, also known as asteroids and meteoroids, form the solar system. We often call it a solar family with the Sun as its head.
The Sun is at the center of solar system. All the planets revolve around the Sun in their fixed paths called orbit. Sun's gravity keeps all these objects in their paths.
There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their distance from the Sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Mercury is the closest to the Sun. It is the smallest planet and it is very hot during the day and very cold at night. It is approximately 77 million kilometers away from Earth. A single day on Mercury lasts for about 59 Earth days.
Venus. It is similar in size to Earth, so it is considered as Earth's twin. It is the hottest planet. Venus is about 41 million kilometers away from the Earth. On Venus, one day is extremely long, lasting about 243 Earth days, and it spins in the opposite direction of most of the planets.
Earth, it is the third nearest planet to the Sun. In size, it is the fifth largest planet. It has one moon. It is our home planet. It is the only planet known to have survival. The Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has air and water which are very essential for our survival.
Mars. It is known as the red planet. It has the largest volcano and known in the solar system. It is located around 78 million kilometers from the Earth. A day on Mars is very similar to Earth, lasting about 24.6 hours.
Jupiter is the largest planet. It has a great red spot, which is a big stone. It has more than 75 moons It is made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter is roughly 628 million kilometers away from the Earth. Jupiter has the shortest day in the solar system, just 9.9 hours.
Saturn. It is known for its beautiful ring made of ice and rocks. It is the second largest planet. It has over 80 moons. Saturn is situated at a distance of about 1.2 billion kilometers away from Earth. A day lasted Saturn is about 10.7 hours.
Uranus. It spins on its side. It has blue green color due to methane gas. It is called an ice giant. It has faint rings and many moons. It is called an ice giant. It lies approximately 2.6 billion kilometers away from Earth. On Uranus, a day is about 17.2 hours long.
Neptune. It is the farthest planet from the Sun. It is deep blue in color. It has strong winds and storms. It is about 4.3 billion kilometers away from Earth. Neptune has a day length of approximately 16.1 hours.
The Moon. Our Earth has only one satellite, that is the Moon. Its diameter is only 1/4 that of the Earth. It appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. The Moon is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from the Earth. The Moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the Moon is visible to us on the Earth.
Asteroids. Apart from stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the Sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter.
Meteoroids, some small pieces of rocks that move around the Sun, are called meteoroids. They are much smaller than planets or asteroids. Most meteoroids burn up completely before hitting the Earth.
The solar system moves in perfect discipline, teaching us to live in harmony. Earth is our precious soul. Let us care for it, respect nature, and always be responsible.
Thank you.
The purpose of drama is not to entertain, but to educate, to reflect, and inspire. So, some students of our class are going to present a skit on the given topic.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we invite you to travel far, far away, beyond the clouds, beyond the sky, into the vast and magical world of space. Up above us lives a beautiful family, the solar system.
Let's meet the planets, the moon and the mighty sun, the main characters of our solar system. Sun, the head of the solar family. Mercury, the speedy one. Venus, the hottest planet. Earth, the life-giving one. Mars, the red planet. Jupiter, the biggest planet. Saturn, the one with rings. Uranus, the tilted one. Neptune, the windy far one. Moon, Earth's best friend.
Scene 1. A space stage decorated with stars, planets hanging around, and the sun in the center like a throne. Welcome to the grand reunion of the solar family. Today, the sun has invited all the planets to celebrate their unity and importance in the solar system.
Welcome, my dear children. It's been light years since we have all gathered together. Let's remind ourselves and our young audience how special each one of you is. Hello, I am Mercury, the closest to the sun and fastest of all. I cannot beat the sun in just 88 days, and I am always in a hurry.
Uranus. I shine the brightest and I am the hottest of all planets. But beware, my thick clouds make me a bit too hot to handle.
I'm Earth, the only planet where life exists. I have water, air, oxygen, animals, humans, and trees. I try to stay just right, not too hot or cold. Oh, perfect home.
And I am the moon, Earth's best friend. I don't shine myself, but I reflect light and guide the travelers in the night. I also cause tides.
I am Mars, the red warrior. People are trying to explore me for life. I have giant volcanoes and dust storms. I think humans will visit me one day. I am Jupiter, the largest of all. I am so big that I can fit over 1,300 Earths inside me, and I also protect other planets by pulling away dangerous space rocks. I am Saturn, the beautiful one with the rings. My wings are made of ice and rocks. I may be light, but I am elegant.
I am Uranus, the tilted one. I spin on my side and I am full of icy gas. I am a bit mysterious but very cool.
I am Neptune, the farthest planet from the sun. My winds are the fastest in solar system. I am dark, cold, but I love to swirl.
You're all unique and special. Together, we form the solar family. But remember, even though you have different names, you revolve around me in harmony.
We are the solar family from tiny Mercury to mighty Jupiter to rocky Earth to gassy Neptune. Together we shine across the galaxy.
And so ends the beautiful reunion of the solar family. May we always take care of our home planet Earth and never forget how special our solar system is.
Thank you.
A poem begins in delight and ends in wisdom. Now, some students of our class are going to present a Hindi poem.
चलो बच्चों करे सवारी सौर मंडल की दुनिया न्यारी सूरज सबसे बीच में बैठा रोशनी का है राजा जैसा
पहला बुध है बहुत तेज सूरज के पास सदा ही खेल फिर आता है शुक्र चमकता रात में दिखे तारा विष्णु
फिर आती धरती प्यारी जीवन की जो बनी सवारी पेड़ पौधे जल की धारा सबसे सुंदर सबसे प्यारा
मंगल है अगला नंबर लाल रंग में लगे सुंदर वैज्ञानिक कहते हैं बार बार हो सकता है जीवन वहाँ भी एक बार
बृहस्पति है भारी ग्रह गैस से बना है ये गैर शनि के छल्ले सबको बार देखो तो आंखें खुल जाए
अरुण वरुण है बहुत दूर नीले नीले ठंडे भरपूर सब ग्रह मिलकर घूम रहे हैं नियमों में ही झूम रहे हैं
धरती को हम प्यार करें प्रकृति को हम संभालें सौर मंडल का ज्ञान बढ़ाएं नए युग में कदम बढ़ाएं
धन्यवाद
Poetry is a lyrical creation of beauty with words. Now some students of our class are going to present an English poem.
In the sky so dark and white, planets spin and stars do glide. The sun, our star so big and bright, fills the world with warmth and light. Mercury flows a speedy friend, its rocky paths comes to know it. Next is Venus glowing gold, a beauty in the sky so bold.
Then comes Earth, our lovely home, with oceans blue and skies to roam. It spins around the mighty sun, bringing day and night for everyone.
Red and dusty, Mars is near with silent valleys, cold and clear. Jupiter's next with storms that swirl, a giant gas and cloudy pearl.
Saturn's rings are wide and grand, they shimmer like a golden band. Uranus tilts and spins on side, with icy clouds that softly glide.
Neptune's far and deep in blue, it dances in the outer view. 8 fine planets circle round in space so vast without a sound.
So look above and you may see a world of stars and mystery. The Earth and friends in cosmic flight, a solar system full of light.
Thank you.
Dance is the hidden language of the soul. Now some girls of our class are going to present the classical.
Singing connects the soul with the sound of the heart. Now, Aradhya Sharma of her class is going to present an English song.
I see this life like a swing on, swing my heart, cause the line of my voice is flashing signs. Sing it out and yes, you'll find I'm old, but I'm not that old, young, but I'm not that bored. I don't think the world is old, I'm just doing what we're told. I feel something so wild, doing the wrong thing. I feel something so wrong, doing the right thing. I couldn't lie, couldn't lie, couldn't lie. Everything that kills me makes you feel lately. I've been listening, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. Say no more counting letters, we'll be counting stars. Lately, I've been listening, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. Say no more counting letters, we'll be counting stars. I feel your love and I feel it burn down this river every turn. Hope it's someone that I would make the money what you found out. But I'm not that old, yeah, but I'm not that bored. I don't think the world is so understood what we're told. I feel something so wrong, doing the right thing. I couldn't lie, couldn't lie, couldn't lie. Everything that grounds me makes me wanna fly. Lately, I've been listening, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. Say no more counting letters, we'll be counting stars. Lately, I've been listening, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. Say no more counting letters, we'll be counting stars.
Thank you. Music gives the soul to the universe and life to everything. Now, some students of our class are going to present a Hindi song.
In a group dance, every step tells a story and every dancer becomes a part of the poem. So now, let's enjoy the group dance.
System is our space family. At the center is the sun, giving us light and heat. 8 planets move around the sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Together they make our beautiful solar system.
ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, देखो जिसे भी लगे प्यारा। ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये सब साथ में जो है रात में तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा। ये सब साथ में जो है रात में तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा। जगमग तारे, दो तारे, नौ तारे, सौ तारे, जगमग सारे, हर तारा है शरारा। तुमने देखी है धनक तो बोलो रंग कितने हैं? 7 रंग कहने को फिर भी संग कितने हैं? समझो सबसे पहले तो रंग होते अकेले तो इंद्रधनुष बनता ही नहीं। एक न हम हो पाए तो अन्याय से लड़ने को होगी कोई जनता ही नहीं। फिर न कहना निर्बल है क्यों हारा। तारा तारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा,
of discipline, teaching us to live in harmony. Earth is our precious home. Let us care for it, respect nature, and always be responsible.